So the question is, how can we make this in fewer steps? And if we take a look over here, you've got, all the way down to extrude 7. So without having dimensions, I'll show you kind of how I would handle that. So to do that, I'm going to start another document. And I'm going to start with just a square. So I'll go into sketch mode and start on that front view, press N to normalize it. And I'll just create a square rather. I guess I'll make this maybe 4 by 4. And while I'm here, there are some other things I could go ahead and do. I could go ahead and put those circles in. Let's give me a circle here. I could also go up here, do another circle, and then come over here and do that third circle. I could use a rectangular pattern there as well. But let's say I want all these to be the same size. I'll click the equals geometric constraint up here. And I guess I want it to be equal to that one. So I'll say these two should be equal. And these two should be equal. So I've got all 3 circles equal now. I think what I'll do is I'll go ahead and finish this sketch and go into extrude. So Shift and E would get me there too. And I'll click here, and again, I don't know how thick it was, but I'll just say it's maybe 2 inches thick. Go ahead and click the green check mark. So what I've done there is I've combined 2 things, right? I've got all the holes and I've got the body of this. So now I'm going to kind of work on this chunk. I think I'm going to take this side piece out right here. So if I take sketch and hit this side and press N for normal, and maybe even rotate the arrows so I can see it a little bit better. So something like that. I know that if I take the line tool, it goes down a little bit and does something like this. Click finish sketch and then extrude. So here's the extrude. And I want to go back in there, right? Now the key here is I also need to hit remove so that'll actually take that chunk out. So if I'm looking now, I've got kind of this thing happening. So then I've just got this chunk to deal with. So I think I'll go up here to the top, say sketch, and click on this top view. And if I remember, let's see, it kind of goes from this edge over. So I'll take my line tool, start on this little corner here, and make it come down. And then I could also adjust that, right? I could go up to dimension here, right here, and say I want from this line to here. I want that to be a specific angle, which is probably 45. Shift E for extrude. I've got that piece, and I want to just cut it down to where it's even. Right there, we want everything to be even. It would really help if I had the number, because then I could make it the exact same height, right? And remember, click remove. So do that and click the green check mark, and let's zoom out. Okay, so we essentially have the same thing, same kind of outline and overall shape. But in mine, we did extrude 1, 2, and 3. So there's 3 extrudes, and whereas in here we've got 7.